The motorcycle costs 1.35 on road. The rally kit is about 38,000 rupees. So at about roughly 1.7 lakh rupees, you get a phenomenal package. A phenomenal package. Even if you don't get the entire rally kit, just get this rally seat for 2,000 rupees. What's going to happen is a lot of people who are not very tall and they still go ahead with the rally kit, they will not install this rally seat. They're going to sell this rally seat. So just get rally seat, just get risers, you are sorted. You don't even need different tires. And yes, it does run on CEAT tires. These tires are also good yaar for here. इसमें तो touring भी हो जाएगी. Chal, let's go ahead. Okay, I'll ride the heavy ass Interceptor now. अबे आगे मुझे, he doesn't know the way. Different feeling, very different feeling and different bike. But this bike's got torque. It's got plenty of torque. You know, I really feel there is no bad bike today. Everything is fun. Everything is meant to be enjoyed in their own way. So if right now if Yogesh decides to go for it, I won't even be able to come close. He is a better rider than me any given day. He's far more experienced than me. So yeah, if he really wants it, see, I'm already struggling to get close. Not that again, you know, it's his bike. Anyway, I dropped my friend Amit's Tiger on the rock garden that's coming up ahead yesterday, so really have to be careful. I have to stop dropping other people's motorcycles. Man, just torque, plenty of torque. So guys, this is the technical section of the trail. It's slower, it's a lot slower than, you know, than the section we came from. But it's a lot more fun because, you know, the terrain keeps changing. It gets rocky. So yeah, the ground clearance is something that I have to be careful about. Good thing is this motorcycle has the torque to pull me out of situations. Fucking ABS. Okay, rocky descent. Piece of cake. Naturally, the Interceptor is a lot more work than the little X-Pulse. I'm already tired. It feels okay. So this is the very challenging section for which I have bought the X-Pulse, the rock garden. So we'll take this line. This is where these bushes over there, that's where I dropped the Tiger yesterday. And we've made it through. He's coming so easily. Seems to be stuck. Nope. Easy peasy. Man, the Interceptor is so much work. I mean, it's still fun because of the modification on the bike. Taller handlebar, you know, the tires. Stock tires are good on this bike, but they're good for road riding. Definitely not here. The climb, the rocky climb. Come on. Oh, I'm getting thrown around on the seat. But fun. On the X-Pulse, this would have been a joke, as I'm sure it is for Yogesh right now. Oh. But it's good, you know. I think the X-Pulse won't teach a guy a lot, rather will make things so easy that you may not even be able to get a lot of skills, learn a lot of skills, because it just takes care of everything. On something like this, man, you have to work hard. So this is where most people get lost, guys. Go straight from this point, always. If you want to get to the fort number 2, I think it's called, always go straight. Ah, we are scaring the wildlife. I wanted to make a video on the X-Pulse. Look what I'm doing. This video is about the Interceptor. तू मेरे पीछे बहुत हेल्ड बैक फील कर रहा होगा ना? मतलब तू मेरे पीछे तेरे को लग रहा होगा ना कि यू कैन बी अ लॉट फास्टर. मैं बहुत धीरे चल रहा हूँ उस हिसाब से.
ठीक है, मतलब सही है पेस हमारा.
हाँ, ये दिस इज अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. यू नीड टू यूज योर बॉडी अ लॉट, अपर बॉडी. उस पे मजाक लग रहा होगा. साइकिल है. हाँ चल, लेट्स गो. आई जस्ट फकिंग टर्न माई Senna off. So now we've reached the spot where, you know, I think that buffalo carcasses that's been rotting here for, I don't know, 2 months now. No, not now, later I believe. I think we are headed to another climb. Yeah. Go ahead. Wait. I sort of feel bad that I'm slowing him down, but it's okay. This is that climb where my other friend Yudhvir, he fell from his BMW. I'll show you exactly where. This very spot, I think he crashed. He object fixated on a rock and he just went into it, his GS 1200. But the beautiful thing about the GS is, even if it falls, it just banks at a 45-degree angle because of the Boxer twin engine. This is the spot where the buffalo carcass is, over here. Man, stench, horrible stench. Man, Royal Enfield, you guys are absolute morons, let me tell you this. Now, I'll also tell you why. You know, what this country needs is a Himalayan 650. I can't even begin to think how much more fun this would be on a Himalayan. But Royal Enfield, I don't know what you're doing, man. You've got the, what is that British, you know, company called that they, Harris Racing, yeah? Guy, bach gayi. So, oh man, I think I'm stuck. I think I need a push. Nope. Good. Yeah, you've got, I don't know what you're doing, man. I don't know if you're developing it, but you should. It's high time you come out with it. Chal. Nahi, it's okay. अब तो टेक्निकल रास्ता खत्म हो गया. So how does it matter if I ride the X-Pulse? Sorry, as I was saying, Royal Enfield, just come on, man. Just come out with the Himalayan 650.